The government just released a report on economic growth for the final quarter of last year. CBS's business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here to tell us what happened. Good morning. So good to see you.
Good morning.
So after a sizzling summer, did the economy slow down in the fourth quarter?
It did slow down, but to be clear, it was like another sizzler. So 4.9% annualized growth was a huge uptick from the first half of the year, where it was more like 2% annualized growth in each of those quarters. Fourth quarter, we were expecting kind of like the first half of the year, 2%-ish. It came in at 3.3% on an annualized pace. Now, this is the first estimate. There will be two revisions to it. It could go up, it could go down. But from where we sit today, something really interesting. The economy, and we measure this by gross domestic product, all the value of the goods and services sold. If you look at the end of 22 to the end of 2023, we have a huge 3.1% increase of the value of the economy from year to year. And that's really strong. It's much stronger than we saw before the pandemic era, pre-pandemic rather. We were sort of looking at, I don't know, let's call it 2.4%. So in the threes, this is the strongest growth we've seen in 5 years.
So does a slowdown in growth mean that we could be facing a recession? I mean, that's the word everybody's talking about. Nobody really wants to talk about it, but
I want to remind everybody of this. First of all, I was not invited to Davos, okay? And I'm very bitter about that. But all the people in Davos last year were warning us, there's going to be a recession in 2023. I just told you that the economy expanded by more than 3%, and they were all wrong. Now, it is true, it's unlikely that we are going to have a 3.1% increase this year. However, even if growth were to slow down, the good news is the labor market does remain strong. There is no wildly big red flashing light of recession. A recession will come. It's just that we don't see it right now. Consumers have spent like mad men and women, and they keep propelling the economy. Government spending has been propelling the economy. And so when you put it all together, you see that maybe we'll slow down, but it does not look like a recession is looming immediately. Doesn't mean it won't happen.
So the Federal Reserve convenes a policy meeting next week. What are they expected to do? What do you think?
I think they shouldn't even meet because we know what they're going to do. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
They're not doing anything. They're going to keep rates at 5.25% to 5.5%. It's more than a 2-decade high. But with growth as strong as it was in the fourth quarter, then I think they're going to say, let's get some more data before we start really thinking about cutting rates.
All right. Jill, so good to see you. Thank you. Always giving us such good information. You can see Jill regularly on CBS Mornings and the CBS Evening News with Nora O'Donnell. For more analysis, you can go to JillOnMoney.com.